ਵਾਹਿ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਵੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਆਓ ਕਰੇ ਹਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਿਲਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਕਰ ਵਸੇ ਹਰੇ। ਰੰਗ ਰਲੀਆਂ ਮਾਣੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਹਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਤੁਠਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਮੇਲੇ ਹਰੇ। Again and again, all the time, the divine, the Vaiguruji inside us, the Satguruji inside us, is calling us again and again to come back to our home, to our real home. That's why the mind here is addressed as a foreigner mind. Mere man pardesi ve pyare aao kare. Just like when we go outside our country, outside our house, and our parents calls us back and they say, come back, it's been too late, you have never come back. And the same situation is of our mind. Our mind is separated from Vaheguru from many ages, many ages. That's why it's not coming back. It has forgotten the path to go back. Rasta bhul gaya. Har guru milavo mere pyare, kar vase hare. Then the guru, Shabad Guru, will help him, teach him, show him the path back to his own house. Rang raliyan mano mere pyare, har kirpa kare. That is where it's going to understand the true happiness when it will go back. Here, it is under the influence of these doots. Here, it is in fear. Same thing Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj here is telling ਆਸਾਵਰੀ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਤੁਕਾ। ਓਏ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆ ਹਾਂ, ਸੁਨਤ ਸੰਦੇਸੀਆ ਹਾਂ। They remember you are a foreigner in this world. When Maharaj is talking about this world, Maharaj is not just talking about this physical world. Maharaj is also talking about this physical body. In Gurbani, this physical body is also called a city. It is also called a nagar. Oye pardesiyan ha, sunat sandesyan ha. Why don't you listen to the message? Because Vaheguruji is calling us all the time. Aja, 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 kar wapas aja. It's like your parents calling you on the phone all over again and again, but we don't listen to them. Sunat sandesya ha rahao. Jasyo rach rahe ha. The way you are enjoying this world, we think that this world, this physical world, is everything, right? Pubs, clubs, discotheques, and whatnot, all the worldly pleasures. And the way you are enjoying the worldly pleasures, many like you have also done that. So many different minds, millions of the minds. Sutade asanka chuthi maya karne. In this maya, they were also enjoying, countless. Jasyo rach rahe haan, sabko taj gaye haan. And they all those who have enjoyed these pleasures of Maya, at the end they have to leave. They have to leave. Why don't you listen? Why don't you understand that? सुपना ज्यो पए हाँ, हर नाम जिन्हें लए। सबको तज गए हाँ, सुपना ज्यो पए हाँ। कहते दिस इज लाइक अ ड्रीम। in dream we enjoy things, we do things, and whatever happens at the end, that dream is broken. Sometimes there are nightmares also, sometimes there are good dreams also, but at the end the dream is no longer there, dream is broken, and we come out of the dream and then we think, oh, this was a dream. Same thing Maharaj says, that you are doing the same thing. You are thinking that these worldly pleasures are going to be permanent and you're going to stay here in this world forever. And the one you want to remember, you don't even remember. ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ, for the what, for the purpose of your life, what you were sent, you are not doing that. ਸੁਪਨਾ ਜੋ ਪਏ ਹਾਂ, ਹਰ ਨਾਮ ਜਿਨ੍ਹੇ ਲਏ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ then when we will connect with the naam, when we will connect with the shabad, when we will connect with that calling which he is doing, mere man pardesi ve pyare aao kare, he is calling us. When we listen to that call, then we will understand that we are living in a dream. Without listening to that, we will not understand that we are in a dream. हर तज अन लगे हाँ, जन्मे मर भगे हाँ। And they remember the ones who have forgotten Vaheguru and they are clinging to the Maya, clinging to each other. That's what we do, right? Maharaj tells us every day, "ए कुटुंब तुझे देखदा चले नाही तेरे नाले, साथ तेरे चले नाही तिस नाल क्यों चित लाइए, ऐसा कम मूले ना कीचे जान जित अंत पछताइए." If you will keep on doing that, janme mar page haan, again and again you will wander in the cycle of life and death. If you will not leave these things, leave this Maya, because we think this is permanent. We think this our family is permanent. We have to do our duties, but we don't have to cling to them. Because what happens when we cling, Guru Pyareo, when we cling to our families and friends and family, what happens? We enjoy, we like it, but then while we have all seen that they will do something that our heart will be broken. They'll break our heart. And then we repent. Then we say, then we'll get a dukh, then we'll get a pain. Then we think why we did that. Because we expect too much from our family and friend. And because of that dukh, because of that pain, we keep on coming back in this world again and again. ਉਹ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖਤਮ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. Our debt never goes away. Our account is always increasing. The count of our karam is always increasing. Our account book is bigger and bigger every day. The karmas are never going away. Karmas are only increasing. So we are not able to replenish the naam. Rather than what we are doing, we are increasing our karams. हर हर जन लहे हाँ, जीवत सो रहे हाँ. You have to understand, Maharaj is telling us, all of us, you have to understand how can you live the eternal life, that life which is free of pain. That is not in this physical body. This physical body is meant for both pain and pleasure, but both pain and pleasure are of this physical world. The real pleasure, the real love, the real happiness, the real peace, the eternal peace, we are gonna get only when we will remember Vaheguru. हर हर जन लहे हाँ, जीवत से रहे हाँ. Then we will get eternal peace when we will chant, when we will remember. Chanting, sometimes people think the chanting is only loud chanting. And in these lectures, every day we remind everybody that chanting is not just the loud chanting. Yes, we do loud chanting and we have to do loud chanting, but at the end, our mind should be remembering Vaheguru. The Simran should be there all the time. Mind should remember the Vaheguru. And any karam which we do, any work which we do, any action which we do, we should remember Vaheguru. Then we will live forever. Then we will go back to our house. Then we will listen to the calling of Vaheguru. Then we'll no longer be foreigner. We'll go back to our house. जिसे कृपाल होए हाँ नानक भगत सोए. And then only this will happen when the grace, when the Guru Prasad, when the mercy of Vaheguru will be there, then we will become the Pagat. Then only we can listen to the calling. Remember that calling is also called Sahaj Tera mukh suhava jiyo Sahaj Vani. When we listen to the sound which is coming out of the universe, that cosmic sound, then when our mind connects with that, then our mind will go to back to its own house. And the definition of Pagat, yesterday also we learned, Gurmukh Pagat Jit Sahaj Tun Upje. When the mind starts listening to that cosmic sound, that Sahaj Tun, that Anhat Bani, when we will listen to that. But Maharaj says only those will listen who will have a kirpa, who will understand that this life, this world is temporary. This is not a permanent life. एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद राग आसा महला नौवा. एक ओंकार, Vaheguru Ji is one. Through the voice of Vaheguru Ong, Kar, the creation has been created. Satgur Prasad. And if we want to go back to the one Vaheguru, from where the calling is happening, we have to listen to his calling. And his all calling is also called Ong. His sound is also called Ong. And when we listen to that sound, we will merge back in one Vaheguru. Ik Oankar Satguru Prasad, through his Kirpa, through his grace, through his mercy. Rag Asa Mahla Nova. Mahla Nova as in Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Sache Paatshah. बिरथा कहो कौन स्यो मन की लोभ ग्रस्यो दस हूं दिस धावत आसा लाग्यो धन की. Maharaj here, the ninth Guru is saying, who should I tell the condition of my mind? Who? Who is capable to listen to my condition? This is very important. Sometimes, whatever is going on in your mind, you look for a friend. Sometimes you can't even talk with your closest to closest family members. It's unfortunate, but that's a reality of life. What is going on in your mind, you are unable to share your dukh, you are unable to share your pain. Birtha kahun kaun kyo syo man ki. Who should I tell the condition of my mind? Lobh grasyo. My mind is connected with the lobe. Lobe as in the greed. It's always greedy. Das hu disatavat. It is going in all the 10 directions. Meaning the mind is wandering all the time because of the greediness, because of the wealth, because of this worldly wealth. And that's the state of the mind. Because everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants to have the worldly pleasures. Lob grasyo dason disatavat. Asya, asa as in hope. Asa lagyo tanki. Rahao. That's a central idea. Ikko hi aas hai. The aas is, the hope is that I should become rich, the wealthiest person of this world. But is this something which we need? No. We need the wealth of Naam, Guru Pyareo. And that's very important. We need wealth of Naam, not the wealth of this world. Because the wealth of this world is never going to stay with us. Forget about when we leave the physical body. Even when we are in this physical body, still the money is not going to stay with us. Because the very nature of money, The very nature of the wealth is it's like a water. It comes and go, it comes and go, it never stays. But the minds, they don't understand that. They will keep on going behind the money, behind the money. लोभ ग्रस्यो दासों दिस धावत आसा लाग्यो तन की. That ass is there of tan, of this wealth, that I want this, I want that. That desire is always there of this, that so that I can have more and more money. सुख कै हेत बहुत दुख पावत सेव करत जन जन की. For the money they can do anything, because in human mind the definition of pleasure, the definition of happiness is different. In the spiritual path, the definition of happiness is peace, but human mind's definition of happiness is having more and more money, to become rich. Sukh ka het bahut dukh pawat. And because of that, because of collecting more and more money, they stay in dukh, they stay in pain. पैसे दे मगर भज्जी जांदे, they keep on running behind money and money. And what they do, they will find partners, or they will find people who can give them more and more money. That's why people go behind Raj, Mal, Joban, Roop, right? We have discussed this in the past also. Raj is power, right? Joban, youth, Roop, beauty. All these things they get involved because that's what they think the life's purpose is. And you must have met many, and maybe we also used to think the same way, that the real happiness is to enjoy the life. And the definition of enjoyment is pubs, clubs, and discotheque. And to go there, you need money, physical money. And what we do is we make friends who are powerful. We do their seva, right? That's what people do in everywhere in this world, not just in India or in America. Everybody wants a good relationship with the powerful people, the politicians, and whosoever has more power. And that's what was all about the Epstein files, right? People were all connected with each other because of the greediness, because of the power. But at the end, they will only and only receive the dukh. They will only and only receive the punishment. They will only and only receive the pain. सुख कै हेत बहुत दुख पावत सेव करत जन जन की. They are doing the seva, they are serving these kind of people, the powerful corrupt politicians, corrupt people, people who have fraudster minds. द्वारे द्वार स्वान क्यों ज्यों डोलत न सुध राम भजन की. You know, in India, swan is dog. You will see the stray dogs, which we don't see it in America or Western countries. But the very nature of the stray dog is it will go from one place to another place and ask for food. Mara says your mind has become like a dog. You are going to places and places so that you can have more money, you can have more pleasures of Maya. Dware dwar swan jyo dolat. Just like dog wanders here and there, your mind is also wandering here and there. Dolat jyo dolat na sud Ram bhajan ki. And you are not getting the wisdom why you came in this world. Why you came in this world was to meet Vaheguru, and we have stopped doing the singing the praises of Vaheguru. And till the time we will not sing the praises, we will not do bhajan bandagi, we will not sing the praises, we will not be able to get rid of this Maya. Bin har bhajan nahi chutkara. But we don't have a sud, we don't even are getting a wisdom. We go to gurdwaras, temples, mosques, churches, but we forget that the ultimate, the one Vaheguru, the one divine is the ultimate, and that divine is in everybody. But we don't look into that one divine, as in our mind will not focus there. Our mind will focus on the wealth, the worldly pleasures. द्वारै द्वार स्वान ज्यों डोलत, न सुध राम भजन की। मानस जन्म अकारत खोवत। We read this every day, Guru Pyareo. This is just another translation. Pai Parapat Manuk Dehuria गोविंद मिलन की ए तेरी बरिया अवर काज तेरे किते ना काम मिल साध संगत पज केवल नाम. We got, why we got the physical body? And this is something we have to introspect every day. We have to look inside. Why we got this physical body? Why? What is the purpose of our life? Why we came in this world? Because of our bad karams, because of our bad actions, because we did the same thing in the last births also. We were supposed to go to our own house where the calling is happening. Mere man pardesi ve pyare आओ करे. Vaheguru Ji is calling us. We should have listened to that call and go back to our own house. But we like to be a foreigner mind. We like to come here, back here again and again. But remember, Maharaj has done a kirpa, a mercy on us that he has given us this physical body. There is no surety, there is no assurance that we are going to get a human body again and again. It's very rare. In Gurbani, Maharaj says, Surnar Munjan Amrit Khojde, so Amrit Gurte Paya. Maharaj has given that Naam Amrit, that calling within us. And we have an ability right now, we have this gur, a skill within us, so that we can listen to that calling and go back to our house. But if even the angels are looking for that calling, but they can't hear it because that calling is only and only in the human body. That's why this is the chance, this is the only chance. Pai Parapat Manuk Dehuriya Gobind Milan ki e teri bariya. This is the chance. Avar kaj tere kite na kaam. And all the other things which you do has no meaning. Doesn't mean that we don't have to work. Meaning the stuff which we do outside the char padarth. We all understand the char padarth, right? Artha, Taram, Kam, Mokh, Ka Data. Other than these four padarth, these four things are allowed so that we can use our swas, our breath, and we can use these four things. But other than these four things, when we spend time in other things, Maharaj says that is our kaj. अवर काज तेरे किते ना काम मिल साध संगत paj keval naam. Can they come to the Sachi Sangat and connect with Vaheguru? That's why you got this Manas Janam. That's why you got this physical body, the human body. Manas Janam Akarat Khovat, but we are losing the time. We are wasting the time. Our time is going in vain. A Manas Janam Akarat Khovat. लाज ना लोक हसन की. And you know what? Everybody knows when we do corruption, Guru Pyareo, when we do, when we connect with the physical people, with the politicians and all, and do bad things, bad actions, maybe you become very rich, maybe you become very wealthy, but people behind you, they all know that you don't have a good character. If I do that, the people will know that I don't have a good character, and they will laugh at my back. On the face, they will tell me, oh, he's a very good person because they have a personal gain. But at the end of the day, these worldly connections, this worldly wealth has no meaning. And the end, person will die. We come in home, we die in home. We come in ego, we die in ego. Came here to remove the filth of this mind. Janam ham kalak to, but we have forgotten that we actually increase our filth and go back. ਹੋਰ ਮਾੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਨਾਨਕ ਹਰ ਜਸ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾਵਤ, ਕੁਮਤ ਬਿਨਾਸੈ ਤਨ ਕੀ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ why don't you, O Nanak, why don't you sing praises of Waheguru? We have to sing the praises of Waheguru so that the filth of our mind can go away. नानक हर जस क्यों नहीं गावत, कुमत बिनासै तन की, कुमत, the bad wisdom, kumat and durmat, very same thing. That bad wisdom which we are taking, the fake wisdom which we are taking. What is the fake wisdom, Guru Pyareo? That we have to collect the wealth, the worldly wealth. But the real wisdom is we have to collect the wealth of Naam. Till the time we don't have a wealth of Naam, we will not be able to go in happiness. We'll come back in this world in reincarnation again and again. Will not be happy. We will be in pain. We came in pain, we will leave in pain. Nanak harjas kyun nahi gawat, kumat binasai tan ki. And then what is going to happen? Your dukh never went away. Not of just this physical body, of your subtle body. Because physical body is gonna stay here no matter what. Whether you did a good karams or the bad karams. But the real thing is your mind is gonna go. And mind is gonna go either with the good karams or the bad karams. And if mind has no naam, mind is not Jotsru, mind is not the divine light, then we have to come back here again and again. So Maharaj is re again and again giving us an assurance and telling us again and again why we got the physical body. ਤੇ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੱਕ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਗੱਲ, ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਕਹੈ ਸੇਵਕ ਜਨ ਮਾਨੈ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਿਸਤਾਰੇ, ਉਨੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੱਕ we'll come back here in this world again and again. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਵਾਲ? Any questions? Going once, going twice, going thrice. आओ जी सिमरन करिए. वाह टमीन, listen to your voice. गुरु टमीन, listen to your voice. सिमरन करो जी. वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु. सेवा कर लो जी. वाह गुरु.
गुरु वाह गुरु वाह गुरु वाह गुरु वाह गुरु वाह गुरु वाह गुरु